how to enable or disable video recording in photo mode on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. Next, in here, we tap on the control button, then tap on settings. In camera settings, scroll down and then tap on camera assistant. Now from here, we then scroll down and tap on video recording in photo mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When this is turned on, and if you are in photo mode, you can touch and hold on this shutter button to quickly take a video instead of taking a picture. Now if you let go, then it will stop the recording, and if you swipe up to the lock icon at the top, it will keep recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.